years. Suspension, revocation, or refusal to renew. This would be due to willful violations of state laws, intentional material misstatements on application for license or fraud, felony convictions, or rebating. This is offering anything in value in exchange for the purchase of an insurance contract. In this case, you also cannot reapply for 5 years if you're caught with any of these. Unfair trade practices. Misrepresentations are going to be any intentional misstatements about policy provisions and facts. But if we're talking about any policy replacements in that regard, it's going to be called twisting and not just a misrepresentation. Any unfair comparisons or false use of statistics, any non-genuine testimonials, false advertising, defaming, disparagement, rebating, boycotting, and coercion are all considered to be unfair trade practices. Unfair discrimination is prohibited. You can charge different rates based on age and gender, and just FYI, for the purposes of gender determination in the legal parlance as well as insurance, it is based off of the gender that the person was assigned on their birth certificate. Fraud is required to be reported in writing within 30 days of you finding out about it. If you are found to have known about the fraud and have kind of looked the other way, but they call this willful blindness, and you could still be held liable for it, as well as possibly criminally liable in those cases. So it is always important to go ahead and report that within writing within 30 days. All insurance companies will give you procedures on how to do so. Separate than unfair trade practices, we've got unfair claims practices. This would be things like misrepresenting to insurers facts or policies, refusing to pay claims without having conducted a reasonable investigation, not paying in good faith for fair and equitable settlements in cases where the obligation is reasonably clear, and then requiring claimants to provide tax